Welcome to Butchermark Financial Advisors. Butchermark, backed by decades of experience and national accreditation, is an independent financial advisory and investment analysis firm that stresses the value of intellectual capital, sound judgment, and skilled execution. Butchermark was founded in fall 2008 to provide the highest quality advice, service, and expertise to state and local governments, public authorities, agencies, and not-for-profits. Co-founding members George Butcher and Stephen Mark view numeric and technical analysis as a cornerstone to our firm. Our professionals have structured and executed hundreds of billions of dollars of governmental financings. We advise clients of all sizes and in all public sectors. When we provide strategic advice and execute financial transactions, we have no interests save those of our client. Your financing goals are our mission. So, we invite you to learn more about our people, clients, culture, and the track record of integrity and commitment that defines our firm. Butchermark Financial Advisors, your strategic capital resource.